Let's solve a problem about finding the length of caution tape needed to cover the diagonals of a rectangular door. Martin needs to place caution tape across both diagonals of a broken rectangular door in his store. If the dimensions of the door are 3 feet by 7 feet, how many feet of caution tape will he need? Let's visualize this problem. Here's our rectangular door. It's 3 feet wide and 7 feet tall. Martin needs to place caution tape along both diagonals. To find the length of caution tape needed, we first need to calculate the length of one diagonal. We can do this using the Pythagorean theorem. Since each diagonal forms a right triangle, the Pythagorean theorem states that for a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of squares of the other two sides. In other words, d squared equals w squared plus h squared, where d is the diagonal length, w is the width, and h is the height. Let's plug in our values. The width is 3 feet, and the height is 7 feet. So we have d squared equals 3 squared plus 7 squared. Taking the square root of both sides, we get that the diagonal length is equal to the square root of 58, which is approximately 7.62 feet. Since Martin needs to cover both diagonals, we multiply this length by 2. So the total length of caution tape needed is 2 times 7.62, which equals 15.24 feet. Therefore, Martin will need approximately 15.24 feet of caution tape to cover both diagonals of the door.